So today is an exciting day. We are going to pull the potatoes that we planted in April. You can see it's poking its head right here, and you can see that these died off, so it's time for them to go. These are still growing. That's what they used to look like. It's almost time for these other ones to go as well. Why I love potatoes, they are like garden jewels. Let me show you. Look at this. Look at how cute. I don't know how many are under here. I will have to actually dig through this entire all the way down to the bottom because they have deep roots. But we got our first one. Look at all these potatoes. So many. And just like that are all the potatoes I have so far. And cucumbers and tomatoes. Potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, and basil for dinner tonight.